Have training coming up? Simplify the process by taking your existing material and dropping it into Quitch. Quitch will automatically create questions and answers based on your document, streamlining your training process and saving time. You control which questions to keep and edit, with full flexibility over answers and explanations as well. Content is organized into topics and sections, making it easier to add more later, or to break down your material into digestible modules for trainees. Inside the content editor, you can preview and further refine your material. Enhance training by adding resources such as documents, videos, images, and links. Once ready, click the Publish button to immediately make the content live, or schedule it for a later date. Questions and topics can be scheduled individually or in groups. Trainees can instantly access content on their mobile or desktop devices, offering flexibility and convenience. In your workspace, you'll find a traffic light system that highlights overall performance, making it easy to pinpoint areas needing more focus. Each question provides detailed insights into trainee activity, giving you a clear picture of how well your content is performing. You can also track individual trainee progress with an overview of their activity, helping you identify, assess, and provide tailored support. Additionally, you can manage and save performance data through downloadable reports available in the Reporting tab. Join the Quitch users already streamlining their training and boosting outcomes. Try Quitch today at www.quitch.com/getstarted.